Trying to reach out, I get nothing coming. Missing your touch, but do you miss mine? Then when you call, I'm excited for nothing. You said that you would if you just had the time. You got a hard red heart now, babe. You got a hard red heart now, babe. You got a hard red heart now, babe. Yeah. Can I melt it down somehow? Is there any time to find? Yeah. You said I should leave for the sun coming. You got a hard red heart now, babe. 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 You got a hard red heart, yeah. You got a hard red heart, yeah. You got a hard red heart, yeah.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it on, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. misunderstood. Nothing good could come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Punch drunk crazy bets on me. Back mid scroll, Armageddon arcade. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless jazz. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on the Gideon time. On the Gideon time. Try to unplug it, turn it back on. Try to unplug, but the feeling's gone.